In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name on your Adobe Acrobat comments. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure you successfully update the author name on all your comments. First, you'll want to open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. You can do this by navigating to the file you want to edit and double-clicking it, assuming you have Adobe Acrobat set as your default PDF viewer. Once your document is open, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small speech bubble icon, which represents the comments feature. Click on this button to open the comment pane. This is where all the annotations, notes, and highlights within the PDF are managed. Now that you have the comment pane visible, it's time to modify a comment. You'll need to right-click on any comment that you've already made. A menu will appear, and from this menu choose the Properties option. This will open up the Comment Properties dialog box. Within this dialog box, direct your attention to the General tab. Here you'll find a field labelled Author. Go ahead and enter your new name into the Author text box. Once you've added your new name, make sure to click OK to save your changes. This will update the author name for the comment you selected. If you're looking to change the author name on multiple comments rather than just one, there's an efficient way to do this. Start by clicking on the first comment in the list to select it, then scroll down to the end of your comment list and hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding it down, click on the last comment. This action will select all the comments between the first and the last, allowing you to apply changes to multiple comments simultaneously. With all the comments selected, right-click anywhere on the highlighted section and select the Properties option from the context menu again. This will bring up the Comment Properties dialog box just as before. Navigate to the General tab of this dialog box. In the Author text box, enter the name you wish to be displayed on all these comments. Double check that the new name is correctly entered and then press OK to apply the changes across all the selected comments. It's that simple. You've now successfully updated the author name on your Adobe Acrobat comments. This process not only personalizes your work, but also ensures your comments are attributed to you, lending them authenticity when shared or reviewed by others. If you follow these steps, you can easily manage your comments, whether you're working on a single document or collaborating on multiple PDF files. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.